dear friends. Today I'm gonna tell you how to create a wishing website, and I'm going to tell you how you can get a wishing website script to make this wishing website.
Of course, for free.
If you are using a computer, then you need to download Notepad, and if you are using Android mobile, you need to download Quick Note Editor. But before you start the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon. So let's start the video. First, open your browser and type blogger.com. After loading the page, your blog post, you have to select your blog, which blog you want to convert to a wishing website. So I have many blogs, so I'm going to select my blog that I want to convert. After loading your page, you have to click on theme. After loading the page, you have to convert your theme, but my website was converted, so I'm going back again, and I've done right now. And you have to click on revert to classic theme here. Okay. After clicking on revert to classic theme, you will see two options there. One, revert to classic theme, and another one, view classic theme. You have to select on revert to classic theme again. Here you can see all XML that I pasted before. You have to delete everything from here. Now you have to open, if you are using computer, you have to open Notepad. If you are using Android mobile, you have to open Quick Text Editor. So I'm using mobile. I already selected the XML file here, so I'm gonna paste it on my blog. But before I paste it there, I have to delete everything from my blog XML file. So here I select everything and cut, and then go back to Quick Text Editor, and I have selected everything, and now it's time to copy. I copied everything, and here I have to paste all code. Don't forget to save it. Isn't it very simple? Okay, so don't wait. Go ahead, open your wishing website and share with your friends. It's very easy. Well, you can download the script. I gave the link description below, so go ahead, don't wait, and download the theme and make your one wishing website. Here just type your name and it will welcome you the website, of course. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, then leave a dislike button, and don't forget to share with your friends to help them. So goodbye, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.